Hey guys, it's Jonah Francis with Pansy Home Care Service, and this one right here is for Nick with the Digital Champions. Nick is very, very knowledgeable about the struggles and also how to win for us here in the home care sector. He's been doing it for such a long time, and his background with other organizations definitely gives him the right position and know-how when it comes to how to help your home care and your digital branding. For me personally, the things that I benefited from most with Nick was really our brainstorming sessions were really nice on how to kind of correctly position myself. Um, One of the things that I struggled with is in Connecticut, there are specific things that we can advertise and how we can advertise. And so I kind of struggle with the brand versus me as an individual. And that consultative session really helped me to, develop myself a little bit differently and how to kind of separate those two. And secondly, it was for my recruiter. My recruiter benefited because she watched those, she went through all of his trainings. And what she was able to do was figure out how to adequately create postings to attract people, make it look good, and not necessarily need to separate the recruiting side of what we do in home care from who we are for our clients. So definitely benefited from that as well. Would I recommend it? 100%. They're the digital champions for a reason. They truly understand what we do and how we do it and how we can kind of go about, um, you know, crushing the competition, for a lack of better words. So thank you, Nick. We appreciate you, not just myself, but PHS family. God bless, man.